Osterflamm and RIKA owners out there. How you doing? Today is a really quick short about removing your side panels on your RIKA. It can be frustrating due to the fact that most people have a problem with the back panel here. Okay, let's start with the front panel. The front panel overlaps the back panel, and the way that you remove it is there are two screws inside of the hopper on the wall. So if you look inside of your hopper, you will see the two screws that are attaching this front panel to the stove. And I have it just hand tightened here. So you take out the two screws. I only had one screw holding it for the video, and go ahead and lift it out. Okay, now the back panel here is the one that people can't figure out. So the first thing that you have to do is on the back of the stove, there is a screw that is holding the panel to the back of the body. Okay, so you end up removing that. And then here on the front of the stove, underneath your ceramic top, okay, pick it up, remove it, and you've got these 4 bolts that are at the back. You want to loosen these to the point to where, well, you can either take them all the way out, or you can loosen them to the point to where they're just about ready to fall out. Okay, then the next thing that happens is once that screw is removed in the back, you will lift your panel and tilt it out. Okay, that's all there is. Just reverse the cycle when you put it back together, and make sure that you tighten everything down up here so that you don't have any rattles. Alrighty? If you have any questions, email us at offgridstoves@gmail.com. If you need any parts, osterflammparts.com. You guys stay safe out there. Peace.